Attorneys gear up for week 2 of a Baltimore police officer's trial. Officer Caesar Goodson was the driver of the van the day Freddie Gray died, or rather when he was arrested. He could lose his job. WJZ is live at the University of Baltimore where the administrative trial is taking place. Kimberly Eaton is in court as the doctor describes Gray's catastrophic injuries. Kimberly.
And Vic, the doctor testified for the defense today after reviewing Freddie Gray's autopsy, and he told the panel of officers overseeing this case that he believes the cause of death should have been ruled an accident.
Accident or homicide? Doctors disagree on what killed Freddie Gray. Taking the stand on day 5 of a Baltimore police officer's administrative trial, a medical examiner and expert witness for the defense testified on what happened in the back of a police van that proved fatal for Gray. Describing the moment, deadly blunt neck trauma paralyzed the prisoner as a sudden and catastrophic injury to his spine, saying, quote, "It was the equivalent of practically cutting it in half." 2.5 years later, Officer Caesar Goodson faces firing for his role in Gray's arrest. He drove the van where Gray suffered deadly injuries and is now charged with violating police policies and procedures, one of those tied to his failure to seatbelt the prisoner. Prosecutors say the cause of Gray's death has no bearing on if Officer Goodson broke police rules. The defense says they're trying to prove not even seatbelting Gray could have prevented an accident.
And the trial will stretch into next week. We expect the defense to call its final witness first thing Monday morning. Reporting live in Baltimore tonight, I'm Kimberly Eaton for WJZ.
Kimberly, thank you. A panel of 3 officers will ultimately decide if Officer Caesar Goodson should be disciplined, but the ruling will not be public.